Hey family, I am Dorothy Harris and welcome back to my channel. We talk about all things business, wealth, and lifestyle. If you're looking for entrepreneurial tips, ways to build more wealth, or hey, you just want to have some fun and adventure, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to like and go ahead and click that subscribe button. I can't wait to journey with you. Hi family, I am Dorothy Harris and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and subscribe for me already because you're gonna have so much fun here. Welcome to my channel where we talk about all things business, wealth building, and a lifestyle. And today I have an amazing video for you. And we're gonna talk about 3 amazing side hustles that you should be doing right now if you need extra money, and even if you don't need extra money. I mean, you could invest it back into your business, put it in a savings account, invest it, whatever you like. But if you're looking for some side hustles, these are the 3 that I myself has tried and that I'd encourage you to try too. So we'll go ahead and start with number 1. Now, some of you all may not be the most fondest of this one as it does require actually driving. I do have some other passive income options I'm going to talk about. If you're a person who actually does like to drive or don't mind, this one you're going to like. And that is going to be DoorDash. DoorDash, as an entrepreneur myself, I have DoorDash before, and I'll be honest guys, when I first did it, I was like, I don't know if this is gonna be for me, all this driving around, but as a real estate agent myself, I'm used to driving, so I was like, you know what? No worries, it's fine. So I actually tried it for the first time, and I was like, you know what? This is very easy money. So with DoorDash, there's a couple tips to doing it, right? Most people on average with DoorDash make about, I say average $20 to $25 an hour, right? And all you're doing is dropping off food. You're picking up food and dropping it off, right? Very easy money. And at first I'm like, it seems so complex, like it gotta be more to this, but it wasn't. It was so easy, right? So the advice I can give to being the most efficient and to make as much money while doing it is certainly to go in areas where obviously the tips are good. I'm just gonna give you a tip on that, which of course will be more suburban areas. Of course you can do other areas as well. I just know that the tips, in those areas are gonna be obviously economically higher because those others have the income to give you higher tips. Now, when you're doing it, you're also going to realize that there are some areas in which people DoorDash a lot. And what I noticed was when I was in particular cities, I will get smaller mileage time. So what that means is that it may take me a total of 3 to 4 miles for a drop off to actually go get it, to take it to the client. I love those, right? Because it's a shorter distance, right? Nobody wants to do a 10-mile DoorDash where I'm only getting maybe $8 to go and pick the food up, and then I have to drive it 7 miles out. Like, that takes more time, right? It takes away from the efficiency of it, especially if you want to increase your hourly rate with it. So I would actually try different cities, and then I would pick the ones where they're more privy to DoorDashing a lot. So that way I was getting a lot of DoorDashes in the same area where it was only like 3 miles per drop off. So I go pick up one order, the house will be super close, like 2 miles away, and then I'll hurry up and get another order right after that, and it'll be like a couple miles away. It just made my drop-offs very quick, and it made the money add up quick as well. Now, my favorite part about DoorDash as well, outside of making side money with it, I definitely think it's worth it. Like I said, on average, you're gonna make probably $20 to $25 an hour, depending on the area that you're in, and how efficient you are as well. But the referrals, you can make a lot of money off DoorDash referring others to do it. And I'm going to share this amazing story of how I actually made $700 in a week with DoorDash. 200 came from dashing actually out and doing drop-offs, but my dear friend actually referred me, and they gave me this promotion, right? So look for those promotions if you are going to try it. If someone has a promotion where maybe they'll say, hey, if you do 50 drop-offs after your 51st drop-offs, we'll give you $500 or $750. Look for those. If you know any friends who have those, look for those. And honestly, you can even look for the promotions yourself. You may not need to be referred by someone. You can look on DoorDash and see if there's any promotions for you actually getting out and working for them. So luckily my friend referred me, and it was a promotion where if I did 60 drop-offs, at my 60 drop-offs, I would get $500. Oh boy, I almost forgot about it, and I got to my 60th drop-off. It probably took me some time because I don't do it as much anymore. But once I got to that 60th drop-off, guys, when I tell you $500 was in my account, and I was like, where'd this come from? Like, what? DoorDash, $500? And then I remember, oh my God, like, this was from the referral. So I got $500, but guys, the person who referred me got $750. And I was like, whoa. So we were swimming in money that week. We were so happy from this side hustle. It was so easy, such easy money. And, you know, if you're somebody who already door dashing, hey, listen, don't forget to try to get people to do it. And, you know, $750, that could be used, right? Awesome. All right, so number 2 side hustle idea is going to be publishing books or journals or notebooks on Amazon KDP. Guys, when I tell you this is so easy, if you don't already know, I am a self-published author on Amazon KDP. I actually wrote a children's book. It's a financial literacy children's book. Don't worry, I will drop it down below and you can check it out for your little ones. It's super amazing. It actually was a #1 seller in education funding when I first published it on Amazon, and I am continuing to grow it. However, if you do not want to write a book, don't worry, you can actually go. It's so user friendly, and I'll make another video actually where I can show you exactly how you can do this. But all you have to do is go on Amazon KDP, sign up, and then you literally can use different services like bookbalt.com or Canva to actually put your journal together, or a notebook, right? So think about a notebook that you're making. You know, it's almost back to school time, right? So if you go to one of these sites and all you have to do is make the cover and the back cover of it, and all you do in the middle is blank pages, and all you're gonna do is publish these on Amazon KDP and make money. That's it. And then, you know, you can make it stand out, right? Obviously a lot of people are doing this, so you know, you can make it diverse or different or unique than others. You know, you can make a cool, different notebook that no one has made before. I don't know, something very creative. And who knows, it may just blow up and the sales can blow through the roof. But these are very easy ways as to make passive income. This is a very, very easy passive income side hustle. So notebooks, journals. I actually also as well have a wealth building journal on Amazon KDP that I published in literally, guys, like 30 minutes. That's all it took me. And honestly, it wouldn't have taken as long if I wouldn't have had writing in it. Which I just decided myself to do a little bit more, put a little bit more effort into the actual just making it unique. So I wanted to put some notes and letters in there for women, as it is a wealth building journal for women. I'll also drop my wealth building journal links below. They are amazing. They definitely influence women to build more wealth and challenge you to journal and to also track a lot of your wealth building habits and activities that you're doing on a monthly basis. So I'll leave that down below, but you don't have to do that, of course, right? You could do something unique that you really like, or something that you just think is missing in the market that could sell, a very different journal or a very different style of notebook that you think will sell, and you can publish this, like I said, literally within 30 minutes on Amazon KDP, and boom, there you have another source of passive income. Now, as far as what you'll make on these, of course, will be depending on the appeal to the people who are shopping on Amazon. Obviously, it's a huge platform, so you have millions and trillions of people shopping on this platform all day. So you can invest into marketing. You can, you know, if you want to take that route, or you could just, of course, market it yourself, and then, you know, just take advantage of just being able to put it on a platform that people are shopping on every single day, who could potentially come across your work. So super easy. Like I said, you can use Bookball to accomplish, making those journals or notebooks, or you can use Canva, or if you know a site that's super easy and user friendly for making notebooks and journals, you can use whatever you like. It's very easy to upload once you actually create this. So I'll make a separate video showing you how to do that, but that is my second side hustle. I'll be honest, publishing my children's book, my first month I made over $1,000, which was amazing. And I also did a mixture of selling my books outside of the online e-commerce industry, but I also sold them obviously on Amazon KDP as well. So the money did come from both areas, but like I said, it's just so much money to be made on Amazon KDP. Like, very easy, right? Passive, like you're gonna make money in your sleep. So if you haven't already, try that side hustle. Think of something creative, a journal, a notebook, whatever you can think of. Even if it's not a journal or a notebook, something very user-friendly and easy to make that could be done within 30 minutes can start your journey to making passive income today. All right, guys, so my third side hustle idea, right? We talked about DoorDash. We talked about publishing books on Amazon KDP for passive income, or other, like I said, websites that you could publish and make money from, but that is one that I use and I absolutely love. My third side hustle and my final side hustle idea is going to be, if you already have a good product, or if you don't, start attending pop-up shops. If you have a good product, or if you don't, or even if you have a service business, if you're like me, you're a realtor, or you have a service that you can provide for others or trade, start attending pop-up shops. Now, the reason why I say if you have a good product is because what you're going to do is you're going to, on a monthly basis, go to Instagram. You're going to type in hashtags, vendor events, or pop-up shops. Hashtag pop-up shops or hashtag vendor events. Hashtag whatever area you live in. Those are the three main ones. So hashtag pop-up shops, hashtag vendor events, or hashtag like Metro Detroit, which I live in Detroit, so that's why I'm going to be looking for pop-up shops in Detroit. But if you live wherever you live, you're going to look for that local area. So you'll put those 2 or 3 hashtags, and it's going to show you a list of vendor events and pop-up shops that are happening in your area, and you're going to sign up for them. Now, most times they do cost, right? Average pop-up shops I see are about $50. They could be anywhere from $50 to $100, and depending on how big the event is, it could be more. Because basically what they're saying is, they have a high demand of people that are going to be there, which means that you should be able to make more money. So they obviously have that liberty to charge more. But here's the thing. If you already have a product, and all it's going to do is cost you on average $50 to sign up for a pop-up shop event that's happening in your area, that's going to provide you probably table and chairs where you can go and just take a nice cloth and your amazing product that you already have and get your product out there and sell it to others. Isn't that easy? Like, guys, such easy money, right? Like, every single month I try to do 1 or 2 pop-up shops events in my area, and on average I'm making $500 just from showing up and selling my products to others who have not seen it before. Now, the reason why I say if you don't have a product already, you still can go, because you can find very easy packages to sell at pop-up shop events. When you think about the times, right? Like COVID's happening, right? You could be the person that go and just package up a health kit, right? You could put mask in there, hand sanitizer, anything relevant to what you're trying to put out there. But it's so many ideas, and you're basically just gonna flip those products. Like, you go, you buy a little health package, right? You may spend $3 per health package, but you're going to sell them for maybe $7 or $8, right? And you're going to get a profit on that, which is amazing. And it doesn't have to be that, right? You can think of something creative that is maybe needed at the pop-up shop. If you're a person who can make drinks, that may be something that's cool. Like I said, if you're in a service business, obviously that's going to help you, whether it's real estate, insurance industry. show up and get your brand out there, get your name out there, have those people follow you on Instagram, have those people, tag you. And that's just, if it's not going to make you money then and they're off a product, it will, I promise you, it will come back to you in the future with increasing your brand awareness and getting your name out there. And that person, just think there's multiple people now who know you that didn't know you before, and now they know exactly what you do and what service you provide. So clients are always there, and buyers and consumers are always there. If you don't have a product, find something super quick and cool that you can sell as a package in those pop-up shop areas as a side hustle, or just go there and brand yourself. If you have a service, make sure they know about you. Okay? Make sure they know, because you're bomb. If nobody have told you, you are bomb. And there's money to be made, so why not? All right, family. Well, I hope you enjoyed those 3 side hustle ideas. Trust me, there's plenty more to come. When it comes to wealth building, right? We're looking for passive income. We want to grow this passive income. We don't want to work hard forever. We want to retire early, and we want to get that passive income rolling in so that when we look up, we're working smarter and not harder, and we're doing more of the things that we want to do in life, and we have that financial freedom to do so. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll be making plenty more where we talk about all the time business, wealth building, and the lifestyle. And of course, there's always more wealth, there's always more money, and there's almost more business to be taken care of. So I'll see you in my next video. If you haven't already, check out my other videos. They are amazing. And if you forgot, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you thought. All right, family. Well, thanks for stopping by. I'll see you in the next one.